What I'm talking about is that when you leave the body, a person who is a novice, who doesn't know what they're doing, who just goes to sleep at night, they're going to leave through the third chakra, which is the solar plexus or belly button area. That is not a good idea because the only place you can go to is the lower astral plane. See, most people spend 95% of the time in the lower astral, which is why people get more neurotic and screwed up as they get older. You want to leave through the crown chakra, just above the top of the head, or as the East Indians would call it, the thousands, lotus petal, whatever they call it. Okay, you can leave through any of the higher chakras, the heart, the throat, third eye, or crown. The crown is the best one because that's where the higher self meets the soul anyway. So you don't want to leave through the third chakra. Yes, it will take you into the fifth dimension, but into a bad neighborhood.
What is the difference between the subconscious and the unconscious?
All right, well, Freud was wrong about most things in life, and this was one of his biggest mistakes. He labeled the subconscious the unconscious. Unconscious is when you're physically out of it, like you're in a theta or delta brainwave at night. You can't recall anything, you're just resting your body. That's what happens in the dream levels at night, in the third and fourth dream part of the dream cycle. They changed that name many decades ago, and they realized that what Freud called the unconscious was actually the subconscious. So the unconscious is a mistake and a really bad name. It's incorrect, totally incorrect.
Oh, there's no unconscious mind?
No, there is, but that's when you're delta wave, when you're sleeping and you're almost flatlining. You can't learn anything. You can't remember anything in the unconscious level, but you can remember everything in the subconscious level. That's the difference.
So when you're working, you're connecting the subconscious to the superconscious, but you have nothing to do with the unconscious.
Nothing to do with it. That's correct.
Okay.